Hi, in this video, I'll be demonstrating policy-based access control for CloudAz Policy Segregation. I'll be going over how multiple teams responsible for multiple applications can each manage their own set of policies. Different accounts within the same team can have different level of access, and accounts with access to multiple team policies. In this video, I'll be using 4 different accounts with different level of access. Aaron, a business analyst in the Aerospace division, had an account with access to view Aerospace folder components and policies. Sarah, a compliance moderator in the same Aerospace division, held an account with access to update and delete everything within the Aerospace folder. She used her privileges to make real-time updates to project documents and remove outdated information. However, she couldn't delete the Aerospace folder itself, which was a critical safeguard to maintain the folder structure. Michael, the policy moderator for the manufacturing department, had an account with access to update manufacturing folder components, policies, and tags. Michael's role was to ensure that all manufacturing policies and documentations were up to date. He worked closely with the manufacturing team to make sure necessary changes, update policies, and managing documents and tags for easy retrieval. And finally, Emily, the data security officer with a broad overview of the organization, had an account with access to view everything. This allowed her to maintain visibility across all departments and projects without making direct changes. Emily used her access to monitor the progress of different teams, ensuring that all work aligned with the company's strategic goals. On my CloudAz system administration, I have already created 4 new users with access control policies that grant them different access. If you're interested in how I created these users and their access control policies, please refer to our policy governance video. Link will be attached in the description. First, let's log in as Aaron, a business analyst in the Aerospace division. His account only has access to view Aerospace folder components and policies. On his Policy Studio, we can see he's only able to view Policy Model section. Let's check the component types, the subjects. Notice on the top right corner, we do not get the option to create new components. As well for policies, we also do not have the option to create new policies. Since Aaron only has view permission, I am unable to use any of the quick gadgets here in modifying these folders. Let's try to modify one of the policies. Because we only have view access, on the top right corner, we are missing the deploy policy option. Now let's try with Sarah, a compliance moderator in the same Aerospace division. Her account have access to view and delete everything within the Aerospace Engineering folder, but not the Aerospace Engineering folder itself. Let's go to the subjects. Click on this eclipse. We can see that we have access to deploy and modify and also delete this policy, but we do not have the same access when it comes to the folders. Additionally, on my top right corner, I also have the Add Component option, which gives us the create permission. Let's go to the policies. Sarah also has the permission to deploy, delete, and also modify the policies, but I have no such option on the folders. Let's try an account from outside of the Aerospace Engineering department. Michael Dean, the policy moderator for the manufacturing department. His account with access to update manufacturing folder components, policies, and tags. Let's go to the component types. Because he's in a different department, he's only able to see component types that containing the tag manufacturing. Let's go to subjects. We are only able to see the manufacturing folder. However, with his account, he has the access to move, update, and delete the folders themselves. And because he's in manufacturing, his access is only granted under the manufacturing main folder. As we can see, he doesn't even have view permission in terms of other teams' folders. Let's go to the policies. Same thing with the policies. He's only able to view the manufacturing folder and modify all the policies within the manufacturing folder and the subfolders. And finally, Emily Huang. Her account have the access to view everything only, but she does not have the permission to modify or delete or update any of the policies or its policy folders. Let's go to component types. We don't have the permission to add new component types. Let's go with the subjects. We don't have the permission to add new subjects or add new folders. Let's go to the policies. We can view everything, but we do not have permission to create or create folders. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs CloudAz Policy Segregation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our NextLab channel, and stay tuned for more CloudAz use case videos.